Guys, I'm Disney Dad. Today in this video I want to cover my top 5 food spots over at Disneyland. So let's get started. There are so many places to eat over at Disneyland, California that I'm hoping that this can narrow it down a little bit and I can give you my top 5 places that I think you should try in your next trip. Now remember that this list is in no particular order, so these are all places I think that you should try. First on my list is the Plaza Inn on Main Street. Now this is the only place on property where you can actually have a meal with Disney characters. So this makes it a must-stop place for families. In the morning hours, the Plaza Inn hosts Breakfast in the Park with Minnie and Friends. Breakfast is a buffet style with kid-friendly favorites like Mickey Waffle. While visitors are always guaranteed a photo opportunity with Minnie, there are other regular characters which include Winnie the Pooh, Captain the Hook, Chip and Dale, Max, Fairy Godmother, and Tigger. Reservations go quickly for this meal, so make sure you plan as soon as your 60-day advance reservation windows open. Remember though, the early morning hours are the best time for short ride lines. Don't waste these hours sitting down at a meal, so make your reservation for the Plaza Inn a few hours after park opening, say around 10:30 would be great. Next up on the list is the Bengal Barbecue in Adventureland. For a quick bite to eat, the Bengal Barbecue is a great stop for some great food. The menu choices offer lean meats and veggies, probably a welcome change from all the churros and Mickey ice cream bars that otherwise make up a kid's diet at Disneyland. Many of the food items are on skewers, so you can take them with you and race off onto your next Fast Pass reservation. If you have more time, sit and take a break in the new adjacent shaded and themed seating area. One that has to be on the list is the Blue Bayou over in the New Orleans Square. Now with the really cool illuminated menus. Something I highly recommend on the menu is the citrus chicken. It is a great skin-on, succulent, all buttery, juicy with fine risotto side that'd be even more memorable if you hadn't also devoured the goat cheese mashed potatoes underneath the grilled salmon. Another great menu item is a strip loin mid-rare with the sauce on the side. Oh, it is delicious and it has a great type of A1 sauce. Also important is the 7-layer chocolate cake. Make sure you give that a try. Coming on number 4 on the list is Café Orleans over in the New Orleans Square. You can order the famous Monte Cristo sandwich found at the Blue Bayou. But unlike the Blue Bayou's night ambience, it offers outdoor seating and lower prices. The limited menu also includes New Orleans inspired dishes such as shrimp and grits, bourbon-style street chicken, and muffaletta chopped salad. The garlic-heavy promise fries are to die for, although you'll need a very strong mint to accommodate your Disneyland buddies after the meal. Heading over to California Adventure, we hit number 5 on the list with Carthay Circle. This is such a great restaurant, I highly recommend getting reservations. You can definitely take the whole family to this restaurant, but I highly recommend this as a date night if you're able to sneak away from the kids. It's a really great dining experience, bringing back a Hollywood landmark lost to time. Disneyland invites guests to step back in the 1930s and dine with the sophistication of the Carthay Circle restaurant. Carthay Circle's menu changes seasonally, so there's always something delicious to try, even if you've been there before. Definitely take some time and try it out. I highly recommend it. I really hope that this helps narrow down your next trip to Disneyland and gives you some better choices to choose restaurants ahead of time, make some reservations, and plan out your trip. Thanks guys. Make sure you subscribe down below to get all my future content, and I'll keep you guys updated. See you next time.